Hi, this is Sri from TechieTalksAI. Welcome to this Arduino series. Remember, this series will continue till we build fully autonomous AI-based robotic systems. Now, this one is a simple, easy to do robotic car, which we call obstacle avoiding or obstacle seeking robotic car. Now, this is a multi-part series. It will take 3 to 4 days for us to finish. We have to go step by step. So first thing that we need is a mechanism to see the obstacles in front. For that, we will use this ultrasonic sensor. One is an ultrasonic transmitter, other is the receiver, which receives the signal, and the time difference between the send signal and the received signal, using which we can calculate the distance of the obstacle. So here on the screen, do you see the distance being printed on the serial monitor? The serial monitor, how it works, etc., we will see later. But if I now bring my hand close to this, you will notice that the reading is low, distance is low. But if I remove my hand at some location, distance is more than a meter. See this? So using which, so you are more positioning the server. So you know which angle that distance is. So you can turn the robo or the robotic car to that direction. So first thing we need to build is the servo and the ultrasonic sensor. This will be fitted in front of the robotic car. And once this is functional like this, we can move on to the wheels and the motor drive, so that we can go straight, turn left, turn right, etc., depending on the location of the obstacle or the location of the free path. So this is how the servo moves, and we connect the ultrasonic sensor there. Okay, so I have been tightened these things. When we mount these on our car's chassis, we will mount it.